formula, how Excel actually identified that you're referring to a different sheet is to have the name of that sheet, right? So we have the name of that sheet into bracket, followed by what? Exclamation mark. And then we put the name of the cell that we are interested in. All right. If I remember correctly. So it's on the question is going to be an equal sign, and then we put the brace there and the name. Oh, just press back button. The name of the particular sheet is ICT, and
So what's that?
sorry,
The cell you are copying.
I believe it's A1. If I get it wrong, we'll go back to check it, right? And we will go for A1. If it doesn't return a value, so that gives us number one, and I believe that is this one, A1. Yeah?
You are copying all the cells.
We copied only one cell. And our understanding, because we're not using the absolute, we're using relative now. There's no dollar sign in front of the A, there's no dollar sign in front of the one. So our understanding is that when we do autocomplete, it will try to copy the next cell.
So how do you get this? Can you start it?
So I delete what's in there. The formula is the name of the sheet. So the sheet that we are referring to is the ICT sheet, right? The name of the cell we are interested in. I'm interested in the first cell, so I can use autocomplete to copy the next cell and all the way down as well. Okay? Yeah? So I just want to copy the first one. So I need to go to sheet ICT, and I will need to go to a cell named A1. And we say the way that we tell Excel that you are referring to a different sheet is to basically just use, put the name in the quotes, which is ICT. And then followed by the exclamations and more. So that just tells us that's the name of the sheet we are referring to. Now we have to tell it. So it's gone to that sheet. What particular cell should it look like? Should it look? Sorry, that would be A1. So I press enter afterwards. So if I press enter, this cell here is actually referring to that cell. You notice it selected it. Okay? Yeah. And if they can hear you. If I do autocomplete, I expect it to what? Copy the formula across. Yeah. So I do autocomplete all the way. I think it was about 4 cells or 5. Yeah. I do it that way, autocomplete that way. And I noticed this one was blank in the other one. So I've got 15525. The same way I've got 15525. So I know my copy is working. I mean, yeah, I skipped this, yeah, because there's no value there. And I'll just populate all the way down. I think it was on 13, so it will probably be on 15 now. It depends on the content you filled in the previous one. Yeah, the rest is autocomplete, yeah. So if you go to your first sheet, I mean, you see what I've got here. I've got 1 at the top corner, and then 325 at the top, down bottom right corner as well. If I go there, I have just a reflection of the same thing. So it depends on the data that you filled it with. Yes. So what if I just start populating something here, right? I don't know, probably that's too awkward. Something. 9, 18, and then I will drag this down. I noticed that the 0 part has also updated to what I just did. I'll repeat again. It will reflect because I've copied the formula across. It's just a reference to it, yeah? So I just typed 9 and I typed 18 and I copied the 2 cells, then I drag it down. So it's auto updated here as well because it's relative to all those cells.
If your this pressure was 0.04, so What the original number?
Sorry?
I changed updated 0.04.
Yeah.
Then when I did the autocomplete, I think it got as original number.
I like your response.
I was asked.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. You can change it using this too, right? Yeah, hello.
Please, sir, how did you do the autocomplete?
For which part? This part or
With the all the columns, the columns starting from 1, 5, 5, 25.
you mean this one?
Yeah, with the
So I will
columns.
do a few times. I'll get rid of this and then I'll get rid of this as well.
Okay.
You get it up to this point.
Yeah, I got it up today.
Okay, so I'll press enter just as we've been doing autocomplete by dragging.
Oh, okay, so you just dragged.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
and you
that's
can
fine.
Yeah, I just drag once and then I drag twice.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you.